everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. If you have been following me for a while, you all know that I'm not just a travel enthusiast but also a skincare and hair care lover. I have some dedicated hair care and skincare routines that I religiously follow. And there is this one skincare ritual, or let's say a skincare product, I never ever skip, and that's a sunscreen. It doesn't matter if it's winter or summer, cloudy or clear, if I'm going to stay indoors or go outside, I never skip a sunscreen. In fact, sunscreen is my most used product and I reapply it every 3 to 4 hours. And recently, I started using the Daily Defence SPF 30 sunscreen from one of my favorite brands, Earth Rhythm. And today I'm here to share my views on the product. This Daily Defence sunscreen fluid from Earth Rhythm is SPF 30. That means it can block up to 96 to 97% of UVB rays. And this is also a broad spectrum sunscreen with a PA+++ rating. That means it gives the best protection against UVA rays also. This sunscreen has both chemical and physical sunscreen filters, which makes it a hybrid sunscreen and also gives a long-lasting sun protection. The sunscreen has a semi-thick creamy fluid texture, which is easy to use. The sunscreen blends easily and is absorbed quickly, leaving no white cast at all, and leaves you with not so dewy and not so matte finish. Today, most of our times are spent in front of screens, be it a laptop or mobile phone. Currently, you're watching this video on a screen too, and this leads to a lot of blue light exposure, and that causes photo aging of skin. And only a physical or a mineral sunscreen protect you against blue light photo aging. Since this sunscreen is a hybrid sunscreen, this also has physical filter like zinc oxide, so it offers an excellent protection against blue light too. Apart from sun protection, this sunscreen also keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized. What more do you want from a sunscreen? Daily Defence SPF 30 sunscreen from Earth Rhythm retails at 675 rupees for 50 ml, and it is available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And currently Earth Rhythm has an amazing sale going on their official website where you can get it at a great discount. Link is in the description. So what are you waiting for? Go check it out before it gets sold out. Bye bye.